When you collapse a subconscious pattern, the mind seeks a replacement. If you leave the void empty, old loops find their way back in. But when you install a vision, an identity, a felt sense of your future self into the space, the mind reorganizes around it with astonishing speed. Think of it as downloading new software into the system. Instead of trying to fix old coding, we install an entirely new operating framework. One that holds the upgraded belief, emotional tone, and behavior flow you want to embody. So here is the 3-step install. You see it, you feel it, and anchor it. Step 1. See it. Close your eyes and allow an image of your future self to appear. Notice the posture, the energy, the breathing and confidence. See them in an environment that you aspire to occupy, and watch how they respond differently to life. Step 2. Feel it. Tune into the sensation of being them. Where in your body does this future resonance land? Expand it until it radiates through your nervous system. This is the moment of neuroplasticity. You are rehearsing a new wiring in real time. Step 3. Anchor it. Press your thumb and finger together or touch your heart while feeling this new identity alive within you. This creates a physical bridge that your subconscious remembers. And anytime you repeat the anchor, the state reactivates. Here is the paradox. Subconscious patterns are not logical, yet they collapse quickly when you give the subconscious something stronger to hold. The future self install bypasses argument and goes straight to replacement. You're not fighting the old. You are becoming the new. Tonight, as you drift into sleep, breathe slowly and imagine your future self tucking you in. Let them whisper reassurance. I am already you. You are safe. The new life is already coded in.